Yo, what's up everybody? This is your boy JJ Hearts, aka Honda G. I am doing a video of me installing the metal clamp and valves, you know what I'm saying? That's the tire valve joint, the stem right here, you know. And this paper right here, I'm gonna show you, before I show you the real stem, I'm gonna show you this right here. And they came with like two different things just in case, you know what I'm saying? 0.453 inches and 0.265 inches. That's for the rim hole. That's for this over here, you know what I'm saying? Like, I already installed one of these, and I'm gonna definitely show y'all how to install the others, you feel me, the same way. And I have this over here, and I'm definitely gonna break down each parts of this right here, you feel me? So alright, so I'm gonna break this down now, you know what I'm saying? So this part right here, that's for like just in case if your rim hole is bigger or whatever. This is the 0.625 inch, you feel me? This part right here. And this is the washer right here, like after I install this joint, which I'm gonna show you how to do it. This is the washer, and this is the thing where you tighten this, like on this part, you know what I'm saying? And then this top, this is a cap for this, like when you tighten the hole and stuff, when you tighten the tire valve, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna definitely show you how to install it, and it's mad easy. Alright, one more thing I need to say real quick is that I don't have any tires for this rim for some reason, and it's easier without the tires, you know what I'm saying? I don't have a machine, nothing like that, so good thing I don't have to go to the tire shop and have it taken out. Or if I had a machine, I'd have to take the tire out or anything like that. But I don't have any tires, so this is way easier for me, way more easier access for me, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna show you what it is. Alright, so there you go. This part right here, this main part right here, you put it in the back of the rim. You put it in the back, and then you just push it in. Make sure it's like pushed in and stuff like that until it don't move. Nah, don't move, but make sure it's all the way in until it stays straight. You know what I'm saying? Boom, there you go. You see what I'm saying? That's how it's supposed to be. I don't know why it's not focusing, but I'm gonna show you the front though. Alright, so y'all see the front, right? You see how it's supposed to be in? It's supposed to be like straight out like that. So I'm gonna have to add the washer in, and then I'm gonna add the screw in so that way it'll tighten, you know what I'm saying? Alright, there you go. Drop it in. Boom. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Then now, you just gotta screw this in and stuff. And you gotta make sure it's tightened too. But all for you to tighten it, you really gotta get like a wrench and stuff like that. Or if you have any like a ratchet, a long ratchet, it'll fit, you feel me? Cause I was struggling with this, you know what I'm saying? I ain't want to scratch my rim, but I did what I had to do, you feel me? So I'm just tying this down now. And there you go. It's not tightened yet, but there you go. Boom, you see that? See, that's how it's supposed to go. So now I have to tighten it down so it won't like move or nothing like that. Just watch. Alright. See, this is what I have to use to tighten this, but I'm trying not to scratch this up too much, which I already did, but it's not a big deal of it, so it's just like, I gotta tighten it, do what I gotta do and all that, you know what I'm saying? So it's finished, you know what I'm saying? It was very, very simple. It was mad easy to do it without the tire. It was mad easy. I didn't have to remove the tire, nothing like that. It was never there. You know, due to me changing my rims and all that. But I did it, you feel me? And I already did all three of them as well. Like the other three, like 1, 2, 3, boom. You know what I'm saying? So it was mad easy to do. And I honestly want to thank everybody for watching my videos and stuff. You feel me? And this is my first time ever doing this part. And it's not moving. I make sure it's not moving. It's not yanking or nothing like that. You feel me? So it's all good, man. And I honestly want to thank everybody watching my videos once again. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I got more videos coming soon. Your boy 534 is out. Peace.